Conference will now be recorded.
I hope now it is clear.
Yes, it is clear.
Yeah, now it's good, sir.
It's fine. Very good. Very good. I'm also actually facing the same issue. I'm listening two voices. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Let's wait for 1 more minute. People are joining. So, yeah, session is recording. Yeah. Please try to understand. Whenever you try to write a variable name, do not start with a number. Variable name, do not have spaces. Variable name should not be a Python keyword. Should not be a Python keyword. And variable name do not contain any special character, the kind of special characters like this. And one more important point, a variable name allowed only one special character, that is underscore. Allowed only one special character, underscore. Let's go and check it out how these variable names could be. And let me have October 4 today. Yeah, let me create a new notebook. Let me keep the name October 4 2025. Right. Hmm. The one by one I want to check it out. The first rule is what? Variable name do not start with a number. Let me check it out how the variable name should be. Let me keep the variable name 1emp. 1emp is equal to Mohansh. So I'm trying to creating a variable name with the number. I'm trying to creating a variable name with the number. When I started, okay, let me connect with the driver cloud. I'm just connecting. So what is happened, guys? Invalid, decimal, or literal. What is the problem here? I'm trying to creating a variable name with a number. I'm trying to creating a variable name with a number. Whenever you start a variable name with numbers or numerical values, it is not allowed. That is the first rule. First rule. Come to the second rule. What is the second rule? Variable name do not have any spaces. Let me try to create a one more variable with the space. Okay, this is comment. Let me give the comment here. Let me try to create a variable name. Employee space name is equal to Mohansh. When I try to create a variable name with a space, it is allowing or not allowing? Obviously, it is giving the error. Can you execute it? What happened? Invalid syntax. So the second rule, variable name, first rule is what? Variable name do not start with a number. That is the first rule. Second rule is what? Variable name do not have spaces. But I am taking a space, that is not allowing me. Third rule, variable name should not be a Python keyword. That is the third rule. Let me go. Let me go. Third rule. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Let me check what are the Python keywords. First of all, I want to check it out. What are the Python keywords? Keywords. Let me check what are the Python keywords. Open the W3 schools. You will be checking like end, as, assert, async, await, break, case, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, false, for. All these are Python keywords, guys. Okay, these Python keywords not as a variable name. Okay, let me take a variable name like if is a variable actually keyword. I'm taking if is equal to Mohansh. If is a Python keyword. I'm trying to taking the Python keyword as a variable name, but it is not allowed. It is not allowed. Third rule is very important. First rule is very important. First rule is variable name do not start with a number. Second rule, variable name do not have spaces. Don't take spaces in the variable name. Third rule, variable name should not be a Python keyword. Fourth rule, what is the fourth rule? Variable name do not contain any special character like these. Okay, let me try to create a variable name with a special character. EMP EMP name, okay, is equal to Mohansh. This is a special character I actually taken, but it is not allowed, guys. When you take a special character inside your variable name, when you take a special character inside your variable name, it is not allowed. You practice with all special characters, it is not allowed. It is not allowed. But only the fifth one, variable name allowed only one special character called underscore. Yes, that is actually there. Underscore. Okay, let me take emp underscore name is equal to Mohansh. Now execute it. It is working fine. It is working fine. No issues. EMP name. Check it out. Mohansh. Got my point? Got my point? First of all, whenever you are trying to preparing a variable name, first of all, that is a custom name. You can take any name. You can take any name. That is not an issue. But you need to follow some rules and regulations. What are the rules and regulations? Variable name, do not start with a number. Variable name, do not have spaces. Variable name should not be a Python keyword. Variable name, do not contain any special characters. Variable name allowed only one special character called underscore. All these points are clear. Programmatically explored all the things here. I hope you understand everything.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's have a few important Python functions. Few important Python functions. Few important Python functions. Okay, the one is um, print function. The one is input function. The one is type function. The one is id function. Few important Python functions. I want to explore few important Python functions. The first function is print function. See, I am writing print small letters. Python is case sensitive. Print small letters. Input small letters. Type small letters. ID small letters. Okay. Actually, each and every function have a different behavior. What is the behavior of the print? You already know. What is the behavior of the print? What is the behavior of the print?
It will print the output.
Exactly, guys. Right. It print outputs. Okay. Print hello Python. If I write like hello Python, it will give simply output. It will give simply output. Okay. So for example, if I say name is equal to Mohansh, if I want to print the name, print of name. That's all. Name is coming up Mohansh. However you want, you can. Okay. Say like print my name is. Okay. I will take a custom string. My name is then comma. My name is. My name is name. Fine. My name is name. My name is Mohansh. Simply like this. Okay. Print have lot of things. Okay. One by one, I will explore it. Okay. Let me have Mohansh have iPhone. Mohansh having mobile. I need to say like Mohansh having iPhone. Can you print this? Mohansh having iPhone. This is not actually allowed. This is not actually allowed. Why? Because of you started your print with double quotes. You started your print with double quotes. You ended with double quotes. Okay, fine. But inside again you are using double quotes. Starting entry point, exit point. Okay, but internally you are taking again double quotes. That is not allowed. That is not allowed. Then what I can do? What I can do? The same print. The same print I can do with single quotes. The same print I can do with single quotes. When I take an entry point as single quote, exit point as single quotes, okay, fine. Internally you can use double quotes. That is not an issue. I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem. Okay, so let me do one more important point I want to tell you. Print, you can work with single quotes. Print, you can work with double quotes. Print, you can work with triple single quotes. Open, close. Print, you can work with triple double quotes also. This is what actually Python is. However you want, you can write your print. Single quote open, single quote close. Double quote open, double quote close. Triple single quote open, triple single quote close. Triple double quote open, triple double quote close. Inside it, whatever you want, you can give the content. Yeah, I want Mohansh here. Same Mohansh everywhere. How many Mohans will come now? Tell me how many Mohans will come? In output, how many Mohans will come?
4.
Yeah, exactly. So, print in Python, print single quotes, double quotes, triple single quotes, triple double quotes. But whatever you start, that you have to end. If I start with a single quote, you need to end with a single quote only. If you start with a double quote, you need to end with a double quote only. You start with a triple single quote, you need to end with a triple single quote only. You start with a triple double quote, you need to end with a triple double quote only. That is a very important point. But don't take same codes inside the string. Don't take same codes inside the string. Okay. Yeah, this one. I'm taking this one. Let me take here. Yeah. Now you tell me. I am taking single code entry point, single code exit point. But internally, I am using double quotes. Is it allowed or not? Is it
It's
allowed or
allowed.
not?
Allowed.
It's allowed. Exactly, it is allowed.
Not always.
It is okay. It is fine. It is allowed. Okay. Let me do one more point here. Okay. Same question. Mohansh contain Apple Mac. Okay. Here I'm using Apple Mac with single quotes. Is it allowed or not?
Yes, it's allowed.
Not allowed.
Madam, not
No.
allowed.
Okay.
You are taking print with a single code exit point entry point.
Okay, okay.
You are taking print exit point entry point with single code, but you are trying to using again single quotes inside it. It is not allowed.
Okay.
Obviously it will give error. So that case, I do one simple magic. I do a backspace. I do backspace or forward space. Mac with single quote. Okay. Let me do for this. I will use this one forward slash. Now it will be allowed. Now it will be allowed. See, whenever you have a kind of situations, I want this one. Mohan's contained Apple Mac. Okay, that that kind of situation. Whenever you want to use the single code again inside, you just go with the forward slash, whatever it may be, forward slash. For each and every character, you can use a forward slash. It will be allowed. It is very simple, straightforward. Am I clear how to use the print?
Yes, sir.
This is a print process. Okay. Yeah. So let me go with one more method called what is the method? Another method, input method. Very important method. Very important method. Input method. Whenever you want to give some information from the user, then input is needed. For example, first name is equal to input of enter your first name. Enter your first name. Input always takes the data from the user and it will store into the variable name called first name, variable name called last name is equal to input of yeah, enter your last name, enter your last name. Yes, fine. Finally, I want to get the full name, guys. Okay, full name. How to get the full name? Anybody?
First name, last name.
First name plus last.
Exactly. I want space also. I want space also. First name plus last underscore name. Exactly. That's what. Finally, take the input from the user. First name is Mohansh. First name is Mohansh. Last name is Technologies. First name is Mohansh. Last name is Technologies. Finally, full name is what? I'm not printing the full name. That is a problem. Okay. Print full name also. One more time. One more time. Execute the program. First name is Mohansh. Last name is Technologies. Finally, what is the full name?
Mohan
Mohan.
Space Tech.
Yeah, Mohan space technology. Okay, my full name is my full name is then comma execute. Finally, one more time execute the program. First name Mohansh, last name Technologies. Finally, my full name is Mohansh Technologies. That is the importance of input function. Input function is Python predefined function. Let me write down all the things here. Okay, print function. This is a Python predefined function using for using for what?
Printing
Print
the output.
printing outputs. That's all. Printing outputs. Very simple. Printing outputs. In Java, that is something like a system.out.println kind of thing. Okay, but in Python, it is just like a printer. Come to the input. This is Python predefined function. This is Python predefined function using for take input from user. Take input from user. 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 Who is the user? I am the user. You are the user. Anybody user. It is actually taking the input from the user. Next, about the type function. What is the type function? Let me tell you. This is also predefined function. This is Python predefined function using for getting data type. Getting data type. Okay, I will explore the type function now. Okay, let me do one thing. X is equal to 34. Type of x. Type of x. Type function. Type of x. What is the type of x?
Integer.
Integer. Exactly. Super, madam, super. Next, z y is equal to 45.678. What is the type of y?
Float.
Double
No, float. It's a float.
dot. Okay.
It's a float. Okay. Let me go. Name is equal to, let me have Mohansh. Let me have Mohansh. What is the type of this name?
String.
String.
Exactly. str. It may be a string. Huh? Sorry. Type of name. Super. String. Okay. Let me have. Is married. Is married. No. Something like false. Huh? True. I'm giving true. Okay. So what is the type of is married?
Boolean.
Boolean.
Bool. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's a bool. It's a boolean kind of data. Hmm. Let me have. Okay. So drinks. Can I have drinks here? I will be having a few drinks now. I will be having coffee and I will be having tea. I will be having lemon tea or boost. Early morning, I took coffee. Huh? That's why I'm actually I like it actually. Every day in the morning, I will take a coffee. That is a very energy drink in the morning. Okay, right. I have the print. Yeah, print. What is the type of this drinks?
String array.
No,
List.
list exactly. It's a list. In Python, it is a list.
Okay. Okay.
In Python, it is a list. The same drinks I will took in the one more way. The same drinks I will took in the one more way. Let me do. Copy. Have it. I am actually exploring the type function. That is the important thing. So these are the different kind of data types. These are the different kind of data types here available. Okay. In square braces, that is different. In parenthesis, it is different. In parenthesis, it is called tuple. Tuple or tuple, whatever it may be. Some people call tuple. Some people call tuple. Okay, whatever it may be. Tuple. Okay, tuple. This is tuple. Huh? You may ask a question, sir.
In flower
Sir,
bracket, it returned a set for me.
in square brackets, that is a list. In parenthesis, it is tuple. Okay, so what is the
I
difference?
did
What
it with the flower bracket. It returned a set.
exactly? Let me go. One by one, one by one.
Okay.
There are multiple kind of sequences. Okay, I will explore all the things one by one. See, what is the difference between the list and tuple? What is the difference between the list and set? All these things we will explore one by one. But now I am exploring about the type function. Don't ask me about the differences right now. I'm just exploring the type function. We want to understand about the type function. That's it. Okay. This is a set. This is a set. Okay. What is the difference between the list tuple sets are and let's have the one more class for that. It is a bigger session. Okay. So let's explore the type function right now. Okay. Let me have one more thing. Yeah, same drinks I will take now. Same drinks I will take now. But here at uh, at 7 a.m. or 5 a.m. 5 a.m. I took coffee. Ama 6 a.m.
Tea.
6 a.m. I took tea. Then 10 a.m. I took boost. Okay, these are the different key value pair system. Key value pairs. The key is 5 a.m. Key is 6 a.m. Key is 10 a.m. Value is what? At 5 a.m. I took coffee, comma. 6 a.m. I took tea, comma. 10 a.m. I took boost. Okay, what is the type of this? Anyone?
Object.
No,
Object.
it's a dictionary. Dictionary.
Okay.
Madam, it's a dictionary. Dict. in other programming languages, some different programming languages, it maybe have a map kind of thing. Java program, it is called map, but in Python it is called a dict, a value which is going to be storing with key. A key is what here? 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 10 a.m. is a key. This is a set. This is a pair, comma, one more pair, comma, one more pair. Every key value pair separated with the commas. Every key value pair separated with commas. But the last key value pair don't provide any comma. Last key value pair just like that. And here also, in the set also, last value I did not give the comma. Don't give the comma for the last. And here also, even tuple also I don't give the comma. Even list also I don't keep the comma. If you give the comma, automatically it will give the error. Am I getting understand about the type function? This is about
Yes,
the
sir.
type function. I want to explore about the type function. That's it. Type is what? This is Python predefined function which is using for getting data type. Data type of the variable. Huh? Can I say data type of the variable?
Yes.
That's all. Thank you. Next, come to the
One
ID.
one small generic query.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, when we are printing drinks, right? Example, we can print with the print function, or else we can print simply drinks also,
Yeah, both are allowed in the Jupyter notebook.
right? Like when we give simply drinks, it means in the backend it is calling the print function.
Yes, in Jupyter notebook it is allowed. In other editors it is not allowed.
Okay, even if we take the command line, right? Single command lines example, x is equals to 10, then we are printing x, simply x.
Simply X, that will
Yeah.
be allowed. That will be allowed in Jupyter notebook. Okay, let's
Even in ideal also we have seen, right, yesterday.
no. Ideal, okay. Visual Studio Code, for example. Let me take Visual Studio Code. In other editors, it is not allowed.
Understood. No, my simple query is like whether it is calling in the backend print function to print it.
Yeah, it is calling print like when you call the variable, automatically it will come. In ideally, in the command prompt, it will come. Like command, there are two ways in the ideally. No? One is the command way, one is the batch way.
Batch way, yes,
In
yes.
batch way, it will not allowed.
Okay.
Okay, let me show one thing. I will explore in ideally. I will clarify it. Okay. Open folder. Our Python folder. I will open October to Python. Okay, select folder. Okay, day 2 is over. Now I will prepare day 3. Yeah, day 3. I am taking one more important file inside. Okay. What is that? Printer. You're asking like about print.py. Okay. Here I am trying to taking name. Name is equal to Mohansh. Call the name like this. If you call the name like this,
Yes.
is it allowed?
Mm.
Not giving any output.
Not giving any output. Compulsory. You have to specify print name. Mohansh. Coming up.
Yes.
So compulsory in editors compulsory, but in Jupyter, Okay, let me take the same code in the Jupyter. Okay, name is equal to Mohansh. Just I'm calling the name. Right. Fine. I can get the name. I can get the name. See the when you go with the different kind of editors, you have to use the print function. But
Okay.
in Jupyter Notebook and ideally command prompt, no need to say the print.
Okay.
Getting my point, huh?
Yes, yes.
Right, right. Thank you.
One more doubt, you
Please
have
go ahead.
assigned like 5 a.m. is equal to coffee, right?
This one, huh? Okay.
In the queue, yeah.
Mm.
So if you go to the previous example, name is equal to Mohansh. So what is the difference between that equals to and colon here? Like, how?
See this is a key value pair, sir. This is a key value pair. This is a set actually. One combination, and this is one combination, and this is one combination. See, whenever you want to call the boost, you need to call the 10 a.m. If you don't call the 10 a.m., boost will not allowed.
Yes.
Don't worry. So later on, we explore about the different kind of operations in that. Then you can able to understand all these things one by one.
Okay. So this is different, and the name is equal to Mohansh.
That
That
is
is
different. That is variable. Now, name is Mohan, sir.
name also
So this is the
variable.
value, na? This is the value, na? This value Mohan she is going to be storing into the name, and
Okay.
this is the complete value. This is the one value actually. The curly braces, total curly braces is one value, which is actually storing into the drinks.
Okay.
Again, this is completely one value called set that is going to be storing into the drinks, and this is one complete value which is going to be storing into the drinks. That is that kind of tuple. This is one kind of value and storing into the drinks, and this is the value storing into the is married, and this is the value storing into the name, and again this is the value storing into the y, and this is the value storing into the x. That is the integer kind of value. Second one is float kind of value. Third one is string kind of value, boolean kind of value, list kind of value, tuple kind of value, set kind of value, dictionary kind of value. Kind is different, sir. It's a
Got
set. It's a different kind of bags actually. It's a different kind of bags. See, let me tell you one more important point. I have to go to the data types. Then only I will tell you about all these things. The next concept is about the data types. There you can able to understand. Let me complete the ID function also.
Sure, sure.
Thank you. This is Python predefined function using for getting address. Getting address. Sir, you have address. I'm having also address. The variable also having some address. Sir. That is ID identification. ID means identification. Okay. So what is the Mohans now? What is the ID of the Mohans now? ID of the name. ID of the name. ID of the name. ID of the name. Identification of the name. Identification of the name. ID of the drinks. Just like that. ID of the drinks. Okay. It's a kind of identification. This identification is different. This identification is different. By the RAM, how the RAM is saving the value, how the RAM is storing the value. It's a simple function. Whenever you want to print like ID function, it is going to be giving the memory location. It is going to be giving a memory location in the RAM in the disk. The value is going to be storing na that location. It is giving by the ID function. These are four important Python predefined functions. The one is print function. The one is input function. The one is type function. The one is ID function. Interview. In interview, these kind of questions will come out for freshers. What you can do with the input, what you can do with the print, what you can do with the type, what you can do with ID. Four important predefined functions. Later on, there are a number of functions will come out, but first of all, understand Python uh, important predefined functions. Let's go with data types one by one, one by one.
Mohansh, one more query.
Please go ahead.
In the print function, let us say we are using a single quote.
Yes,
Inside that, can we have multiple double quotes?
you can do n
It
number
will
of you
allow.
can, you
Okay.
can do it. Okay, I will explore it here. Okay, you're using hello, I am available in Hyderabad today. Tomorrow, I will I am going to Mumbai. How many double quotes I'm using here? Please go ahead.
Two.
Hello. I am
Two.
available in Hyderabad today. Tomorrow I am going to Mumbai. So I am using double quotes for Hyderabad, and again I am using double quotes for Mumbai. Allowed or not allowed?
Allowed.
Why? Because you are starting, your entry point of the print is single quote. Your
Hmm.
exit point of the print is single quote. But you are using double quotes inside. Okay, no problem, allowed.
Okay. Got it.
Got it? Huh?
Yeah.
But you have the situation, sir. I want to keep the double quotes also. Print also exit point, entry point. I want to use the double quotes, sir. Okay, you can use it, but you need to go with the forward slash. Every
Understood.
time you are using the quotes, you need to go with the forward slash. That is the one important point. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes.
The same query. I want to, sir. Why I am using single quotes, sir? I am using double quotes, sir. I want double quotes only, sir. For here and here, I am using double quotes only, sir. Okay. For print also, I want to use the double quotes, but these double quotes need to allow. These double quotes need to allow. Then go with the simple thing. Go with the forward slash.
Forward slash.
Go with the forward slash here and here. It will allow. Yeah, it is allowing, na?
Yes.
Print also having double quotes, entry point, exit point. But inside I'm using double quotes again. I need to
Correct.
allow. I need to allow means you go with the forward slash. It take like a character. Okay, so right. What we discussed today? Today we discussed about a very important concept. Whenever you are defining the variable name, variable is identifier is a custom name. You can take any name. You can take your name, you can take your friend name, you can take your girlfriend name, you can take your father name, mother name, sister name, anything it will allow. Your favorite hero name, favorite heroine name, no issues. But you need to follow the rules and regulations. You need to follow the rules and regulations. The first rule is variable name do not start with a number. Variable name do not have spaces. Variable name should not be a Python keyword. Variable name do not contain any special characters. Variable name allowed only one special character, that is underscore. Not only in Python, any programming language you go, these are the rules actually you need to follow. In Java, in .NET, in PHP, in C language, in C++, in Go language, in Groovy language, any language. These are the compulsory rules. Programming fundamentals. Getting my point? Come to the Python functions. Python predefined functions. We discussed four predefined functions today. The one is the print function, the one is the input function, the one is the type function, the one is the ID function. Four important functions. But using with input, we have the different kind of assignments and projects in the next class tomorrow after the data types. Every session is important, sir. Every session is crucial. Every session is having different kind of subjects. You just go ahead, please watch the recording one more time and practice very well. Every program you have to practice. Hope everybody sent your email ID, sir. I will share. I want to share all these notebooks for you. I
Yesterday
want
we
to.
shared.
I sent, sir.
I just want to check with my team. Okay, so any emails came or not. So I want to share all the notes with you. Okay, let me save the notes. It's day 3, na?
October 4.
Day 3. I have a folder. I need to share this folder everyone. And yeah, let me. Bharat, Govinda Babu, Harika, Jyotika, Prakash, Rohit, Sindhuja. Thanks everyone. Even Saturday also you are giving your time for me. That's a great thing. And yeah, this October where the folder October to Python. Yeah, I have 3 days folders. And one more thing, in the Google Drive I have Notebooks also. I will share the notebooks. I will share the notebooks with you. Don't worry. Thanks for attending the session. And 8 o'clock, I have the one more session, actually UI session. I need to attend the session, and we will continue Monday. There is no class Sunday. I don't took any classes on Sunday. Any queries, guys?
One small query, Mohansh.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, in the print function, we have used forward slash, right?
Mm.
So basically, can we consider that as a regular expression in that particular statement?
Yes, yes, exactly. It is actually
Okay.
treating like a regular expression. Yeah.
Okay.
Any other questions? Bharat, Govinda Babu, Harika, Jyotika, Prakash, Sindhuja.
No, sir. I'm
Any
good.
question?
Thank
Everyone understanding? Huh?
you. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And one more important thing, please like the videos and comment, sir. Please give some comments in the videos. Mohansh Technologies providing all the classes free of cost now. So you people have to provide some comments. We have the playlist actually. I uploaded yesterday video also. I uploaded yesterday video also. You check it out or not. So here, okay. So here, please check the videos and provide some comments, sir. That is the only thing I'm asking here. Mohansh providing all the classes are free. Please try to give some comments for that. That is the one important thing you have to do.
Sure, Mohansh.
Sure, sir.
Okay, I will upload this video within 1 hour. Okay, you can just watch it.
Okay.
Right, right. Have a
Thank
good
you,
day,
sir.
guys. Have a good day. Happy weekend. We'll meet in the next
Okay,
class
thank you.
Monday.
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 Okay, okay. Thank you.
Fine,
Okay,
fine.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Mohansh.
you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Thank you.